This video will show you how to delete items from your Roblox inventory. First, go ahead, open Roblox, launch the web browser, go to roblox.com, log into your account, and select inventory from the left-hand side of the screen and open it. Now find the item that you want to delete. For example, you can go to classic clothing, select classic t-shirts, open the t-shirt that you want to delete, select the three dots in the top right corner, and select delete from inventory. Also keep in mind that you will not get your Robux back if you delete an item. For example, if you bought a t-shirt for 70 Robux and then delete it, you'll not get the 70 Robux back. And when you delete it, a message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the item. Select yes, and the page will refresh and the buy button will reappear. And you can also go ahead and delete the passes. Go to passes, select the pass that you want to delete, then select the three dots in the top right corner and select delete from inventory. Select yes to confirm and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.